Hello everyone, so let's solve this beautiful question on lines and angles. It says in the figure Q, R, S and T lie on the line segment PV. So you can see this Q, R, S and T on the line segment PV. There are line segment RU intersect the line segment SX at the point W. This is the intersection point, and the measure of SQX is 48. So SQX, this angle is 48 degree. Measure of SXQ is 86. So SXQ, this is 86. Measure of SWU, this particular angle is 85. And the measure of VTU is 162. VTU, this external angle, that is 162. It is asking us what is the measure in degrees of angle TUR. TUR means this angle we are looking for. Let's say this is X. So all the four angles are given. It's better to mention all these angles whichever are given, and then let's try to figure out how we can find the value of angle X. So if you observe this carefully, this SWUT, it's a quadrilateral, and you know SWUT is quadrilateral, and we know that sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So we can say sum of angles is 360 degree. So out of this thing, we just need to find what is this angle. So if this is 162 degree, so we can find this angle also because it is forming a linear pair. So 180 minus 162, that is 18 degree, because we know that they are forming a linear pair over here. We can write it like this also. Since angle VTU plus angle STU, this is 180 degree. So therefore STU is 180 minus 162, that is 18 degree. Now we got this 18 degree, so all we have to find is this angle, the angle TSW. Now to get this angle TSW, we can use one more concept over here. This is 48 degree and this is 86 degree. This is the external angle. This is the external angle for this triangle QS and X. So we can say this is the external angle. So we can write angle, let's say this is, let's name this as K. So this angle K is equal to sum of internal opposite angles, sum of these two angles. It is the sum of these two angles, and we know these two angles are what? These two angles are 48 and 86. So this is 48, this is 86. So angle K is equal to 48 plus 86, sum of the like this is the external angle and this external angle of this particular triangle. When we say which triangle? For this triangle QSX, this is the external angle, and external angle is always equal to sum of internal opposite angles. So we can add them. This is 134. So this angle K is 134 degree. So now we know this is 134. So we know all the three angles we know. We just have to find the fourth angle. So now you can simply use the calculator to get the value of X. We can subtract from the 360, we can subtract this 85 plus 134 plus 18. So from this 360, if you subtract 85 minus 134 minus 18, so we will be getting X equals to 123 degree. So the final answer for this angle TUR, this is going to be 123 degree. So very basic concept. We have used two things. One is the external angle of a triangle and linear pair in the second one, and the last concept we have used is sum of all angles in a quadrilateral, which is 360 degree. So final answer is 123 degree. So I hope you have understood this question. So if you have any doubt related to the SAT maths, connect with me on this WhatsApp number. Thank you for watching this.